What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on PINS ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamentals of this company. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast for the price of this stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time offer from WeBull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks. Link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, we have very good surge in price during last year for about 770%. And from this top, we have this massive fluctuation in price. And from our recent swing high, we have this sell-off for more than 30%, for around 30%. And it's quite a huge sell-off, I have to say. And this sell-off happened right after this earnings report. And this earnings report, as you can see, it marked in green color, and this means it is a very positive report. But what was the reason? I will tell you this in a minute, but first of all, let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. Let's start with the company profile. Pinterest provides visual discovery engine in the United States and internationally. The company's engine allows people to find inspiration for their lives, including recipes, style and home inspiration, DIY and others. It shows them visual recommendations based on people's personal taste and interests. And let's continue with their financials, let's continue with their numbers. Their total market cap for now is $45.88 billion. They have a revenue of $2.25 billion. They are profitable and it is very good. They have a net income of $161.36 million. They have a very good revenue growth of 83.55%. And they have a total cash position of $2.14 billion and a total debt of $121.63 million. So, from the financial standpoint, this company is very stable. There is nothing to worry about this. But what was the reason of this sell-off? And let me show you right here their latest press release. First of all, let me give you a sneak peek on these bullets. Q2 revenue grew 125% year-over-year to $613 million. Global monthly active users grew 9% year-over-year to 454 million users. GAAP net income was $69 million for Q2. Adjusted EBITDA was $178 million for Q2. And let me quote you the CEO of this company, Ben Silbermann. And he said, "Our second quarter results reflect both the strength of our business and the recent shift in consumer behavior we've seen as people spend less time at home. While we navigate through pandemic impacts, Pinterest is focused on building for the long term by transforming from a place to browse, save and organize to a community of inspiring people sharing their passions and expertise." So, and basically from this report we don't have any bad signs. And let me show you their presentation. And here I have to say that this is the main reason of this small 5% decrease, why we have this massive sell-off for about 30%. And let me show you this information more thoroughly. So, we are on monthly active users, and despite of increase in global monthly active users for 9% and international increase was about 13%, this company has a decrease in US users for about 5% year-over-year. And why is this number so impactful? And here is why. In the United States, they have 5.08 average revenue per user, and international user has only $0.36 in Q2 2021. This means users from the United States are much more profitable for this company, and that's why they are growing, but not so fast that a lot of investors anticipated from them. And that's why we have this decline of about 30%, as I already mentioned. So, and let me show you institutional investors. And right here on Findel.io, let me quote you that they have 1,460 total institutional investors, and 1,415 of them have a long position only, 12 of them have a short position only, and 33 of them have a mixed position. And right here, the latest sentiment across the entire list is rather bullish, I have to say. We have a slight decrease in value of these two companies, but other companies have increase in value. This company closed their position and they had a position of about $2 million. Not so significant, but the total sentiment, I have to say, is very bullish. On top of that, let me show you that we are on cathysarc.com, and this website tracks all the buys and sells of ARK investment funds. And right here, as you can see, we are on PINS ticker, and we have recent buy right here. So on July the 30th, they bought more than 150,000 shares. And the total value is a little bit less than $9 million. And I have to say that this fund is extremely knowledgeable and it is extremely profitable. It is one of the most profitable funds across the entire market. And that's why they are pretty much confident about this company. So, and let me give you some more bullish information. Right here on their website, we have this article that was published on June the 7th, and it's titled "Pinterest takes the best of offline shopping and brings it online." And let me quote you this: "Today we are announcing the expansion of our shopping features to Australia, Canada, France and Germany, offering Pinterest users the opportunity to shop right from pins on boards, from search, and from the inspiration they find in the real world using lens camera search. Pinners will also be able to get inspiration from shopping spotlights, which showcase expert recommendations and trends from influential fashion and home taste makers as well as publishers." And in my opinion, it is extremely bullish, because this is the way how they can drastically improve their profits. And this improvement will be on top of that improvement that they have. And in my opinion, in the long term, this might be the major catalyst for this ticker. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, let's do some measurements. And I pulled the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom to the very top. And right here, we are hovering right at the level of 0.382. And what should you do if you want to invest in this company? First of all, you have to do your own due diligence. You know all the downsides for now, and it is decrease in their growth in the United States. But during the last 3 months, I think we might have some bounce to the upside. And this bounce might give you, from current price, about 30% to previous swing high. And this trade might be a very good short-term trade for you as a potential investors. But let me show you one more thing. If I make some breakdown according to Elliott wave theory, we might have this breakdown. This is the first wave, second, potentially this entire wave might be the third one, fourth retracement, and this might be truncated fifth, and it might be even a failed fifth wave. And usually the retracement has a shape of simple zigzag. And we might have something like this. This is our A wave, this is B, and this is the beginning of our C wave. And C wave has to have a shape of 5 waves. And usually the length of C wave is 1-to-1 compared to the length of the A wave. And to project it, I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from the top of the A wave to the bottom of the A wave. And I have to project it to this level, to the top of the B wave. And here is the level where we might land, and it is around $46.78. So, theoretically, we might land around the 0.5 retracement from the very bottom to the very top. And this range, entire range between $50 and $46, potentially is the most probable level where we might have the lowest point of this retracement. And if you want to invest in this company, you can add your position right here, but you have to keep in mind that we might go lower to the levels of around $50 mark and $46 mark. On top of that, we have about 20% probability to hit this level in between $40 $38.57 and $38.02. It is the most probable level of trend reversal. And basically, I don't think that we might hit it, but we still have this possibility. So, from the technical standpoint, I think that's it for now. I'm very bullish on this company, and this discount of 30%, in my opinion, is extremely attractive for you as a potential investors. So, with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!